I became a full-stack web developer in under 6 months with 0 CS degree. If that sounds impossible, cool. Because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it, timeline and all, so you can copy it. Here's the game plan. Hook milestones, a quick action plan to get you your first paid gig. Milestone 1, weeks 1 to 3. Foundations that actually stick. I picked one free HTML, CSS, JavaScript crash course and promised myself no tutorial hopping. Daily 90 minutes. First 45 minutes learning, next 45 minutes building tiny things. Personal landing page, pricing table, responsive navbar. Rule: every day ends with something on screen. Milestone 2, weeks 4 to 6. JavaScript that feels real. I built 3 small apps, to-do list with local storage currency converter, with public API movie search UI. I learned by shipping. DOM fetch promises async await. I posted each project on GitHub and added a 1-paragraph README explaining what I learned. Milestone 3, weeks 7 to 9. Pick one front-end framework. I chose React. I rebuilt my to-do app in React Weather Dashboard Notes app with drag and drop. I focused on components, state props, hooks. Bonus: I used a UI library to move fast. Tailwind Material UI. Milestone 4, weeks 10 to 12. Backend basics. Node.js, MongoDB. I built a simple REST API. Users resource auth notes resource. I learned CRUD routes middleware environment variables. Then I connected my React front-end to my API. Login, save, reload data, still there moment. Chef's kiss. Milestone 5, weeks 13 to 16. One capstone that solves a real problem. I built a habit tracking app for my own routine. Auth charts, email reminders. I deployed front-end on Versal backend, on Render Railway database, on MongoDB Atlas. I added a simple landing page and wrote a story about why I built it. Milestone 6, weeks 17 to 20. Portfolio, proof, and pipeline. Portfolio, 3 projects. 1 capstone, clean screenshots, live links, GitHub repos. Resume, results over buzzwords. Example: optimized load time from 2.1s to 1.2s. LinkedIn, weekly build-in public posts. Applications, 5 per day DM'd founders with a 60-second Loom demo of my app. What I ignored to go faster: 10 frameworks, deep computer science, perfect design. What mattered: consistency shipping. Weekly writing about what I learned. Daily schedule I followed. 25 min learning, 1 topic. 25 min building. Implement that topic. 10 min document, GitHub README or LinkedIn post. Repeat twice. Take weekends to refactor and plan. If you're starting today, steal this. Stack, HTML, CSS, JS, React Node, Express, MongoDB tools, VS Code, Git, GitHub, Postman, Vercel. Render projects, 3 small projects, 1 capstone, 1 landing page. CTA. If you want my exact checklist and project prompts, drop ship in the comments and I'll link the Notion template. Subscribe if you want me to turn this into a weekly accountability series. Same time, every Monday. You don't need permission, you need momentum. Start today, ship by Friday, iterate forever.